what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little of a get ready with me slash eat food with me and food truck, so you can see like a mukbang but like food truck festival kind of thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go with my friend Jenny and Cha, and I'll montage. Ha, what the hell. So I'm not even making sense. Anyways, yeah, I worked out and I'm going to the food truck. Okay, that's okay. Stop. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with I think I'm gonna go with this one, and that's my cousin in the back. Say what's up. Okay guys, so this is my OOTD. This shirt is from Zara, this jacket is from Mango, these are from ARUBA, and these shoes are from Adidas. Watch is from Bula, this necklace is from Natalie, and this necklace down here is from Francesca's from Haley. Oh no. Mall, trying to find a parking spot so that we can go and enjoy the food truck festival, but apparently someone here can do her job properly and find the proper
me job to drive, okay?
Parking spot. Do you guys call it Arubans or Arubians? Arubans. Ah shit, the real correct pronunciation is Arubans.
Arubiano.
Sa ito na papiamento na English na Arubans.
Okay, pero una nos tabi ba kinang kontami rumah.
But if you wanna speak proper English, you freaking pronounce the proper word. Matami itong kaka, so.
Ay, sorry, may ko cara, pero niyo hinam takya.
Why all this hate? You're
Avyson, shut it.
Shut it. Okay then.
Imagina mo sino haya. Sino haya ginagawa din nas natin spot.
Okay, so we found Jenny knows this dude that was like reversing, and Cha went and run to tell him to stop, and like so we can have wait for us so we can have the parking.
Ito ba reverse? Thank you. Cha, wa ko mita parkir.
Sinos dalbo los salos tabong. Okay, so we got the parking, so that's kind of cool. So how long is the thing?
You don't know?
Is it far? Yeah, Jenny, Babuya? That's kind of gross. That's kind of. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of people that I know, and I'm not okay. Okay, so Cha and I are gonna get the steak and cheese.
Or should I get the burger?
Whatever you want. It's okay.
No, I'm getting in the burger joint. I'm getting the burger.
Oh shit, you're gonna go full. Okay, so I'm gonna get the steak and cheese mini basket, which is like a salchipapa. You guys, what do you call it? Like a loaded fries, you can say, but steak and cheese.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go to Azuki, which is a sushi place.
And then we're ordering sushi. Sushi.
Get those hamburgers down. We are.
Okay, so we're gonna buy 2 more frappuccinos.
2 more.
We legit come to food truck festival to drink coffee. Yo, like this is like the fastest place. Honestly, this is like the rest of the places are crowded. Yeah. Thanks
for forgetting on me. Can I get coffee?
Not really.
Okay.
basito. Buting basito?
Yup. My heart. We were like having fun. Di konturo na tayo pa sa algo ko, nos?
I don't know, you know? This is just like,
Bye.
Okay, so we parked where there's the sand because you have to pay $1. I mean, yeah, okay, call us cheap, but like, and there was like part where there's like a lot of sand, and when Jenny tried to reverse, it couldn't reverse, and we couldn't have went out because it was slippery, full in sand. And then I tried pushing, and Jenny's like, "No, come, you reverse, and I'll push." And I'm like, "Shit, you gonna trust me with your car?"
There was a car behind us.
There was a car legit behind.
Avyson so
I
much.
was, oh my god, I was legit like just like putting a toe, and yo, I really didn't want to do it. I honestly didn't want to do it, but thank you, Jesus. Jesus, no, take it out later. We can't afford to do this again.
No, kabi box.
Ooh, nangkerapira, Jenny.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
I'm gonna end it here, guys. We had a fun time, and I hope you like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Peace.